Hello, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm going to customize my little tote bag. Very simple bag. I want to customize it. Roll some intro. I don't know what to do for an intro. Okay, so first things first, you really have to excuse the beanie, but at the moment I really hate my hair, the color and the cut and everything. Okay, so when I travel, I try to travel light with just like one big bag. So I'm used to leave things at the hotel during the day, but most of the time it's kind of a mess. So recently I bought this bag, this little tote bag, so that if I'm staying for several days in a backpack hotel or something, I can just leave my clothes and stuff like this, like t-shirts, a toothbrush, whatever, into like something simple that will not take a lot of weight and space in my big bag. So to be honest with you, it's not just that I want to customize my bag, it's that I also want it to act as some sort of advertisement. So to be customized with the words The Walking Chris and with the YouTube, Instagram and stuff. So let's go for it. That's done, so now I just need to leave it to dry. Really happy with the end result. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed doing this. Please give a thumbs up or share with your friends if you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. Also, don't hesitate to leave a comment about what kind of bag you like to take, what's your organization, and also don't hesitate to send me a picture if you have some special bags or if you like to customize your bags and stuff like this on Twitter and Instagram. Don't hesitate to send me a picture. I will be very happy to see what you do. Enjoy your day and see you in the next video. Bye.